This month at GraysOnline, in our sports and luxury auction coming up, we've got some very, very nice cars. One of the cars is this F360 Spider. It's only travelled 40,000 kilometres. It's a very nice car in metallic ivory white with a red leather trim, black top. We've got a little Benz SLK next to us. We've got a BMW X5, we've got a GL 500 AMG Benz. It's only done, I think, about 120 Ks. We've got a couple of Porsches coming up. We've got a C63 AMG Benz coming up. We've got some very, very nice cars. So if you're after something a little bit sporty, or you want a luxury SUV, there'll be something there to suit everyone's budget and everyone's taste. So give us a call on 1300 Classic, or jump into GraysOnline.com and follow the prompts.